Hi, it's Ramesha here with Vocal Bliss. Today I would like to take a closer look at what happens when we transition from chest to head voice. We talked about this many times, but we haven't talked about how to prepare properly for transitioning from your chest to your head voice. And this is what I'd like to talk about today. But as usual, before we move into this, I wanted to invite you to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my future videos. When we transition from chest to head voice, this is a process that doesn't happen suddenly from one note to the next. It's something that we prepare gradually. And the way we prepare it is as we approach the point of transition, which is also called break point, or in Italian passaggio, which is mean passage from one to the other register. Something needs to happen, and that something is that we relax the throat, open and allow the sound to really fill our throat. So you cannot really transition if you go ah. You have to open up your throat oh, and really allow that openness, that roundness, that the sound has to be resonant. It can be tight and squished. And once it's resonant, then you are able to transition in a way that is a lot smoother. So this should start a few steps before or below the point where you transition. So for example, if you're like a tenor, you transition around the note F, F4. So as you approach that note, try to feel that as you get there, you open up, you bring your voice filling the back of your throat before you transition, and then you let the voice go. So, oh, and then transitioning becomes a lot easier. Now I'm singing not too loud because my microphone can't stand loud sounds. It starts to distort. But anyway, this is what needs to happen. And at the same time, after you've transitioned into your head voice, there's also a little area of notes there that need special attention. So the notes before the transition, you open, expand, try to find a round sound so that you can accompany basically your chest voice into your head voice. It should be seamless. It should be like putting on a glove, and it's absolutely seamless. The first few notes in your head voice after the transition happens, generally speaking, tend to be a little weaker in the beginning. So when you sing on them, the voice will not come out quite as loud as you would like to. Then as you go higher, because you're going more and more fully into your head voice, then the voice will come back in its full, strong volume and strength. But the first few notes need some attention. And the way you can do it is by holding these notes, and as you hold, try to gradually relax more and more deeply your throat and let it expand. The throat should be expanded, but not in a forced way. It should be relaxed, and as you relax, the voice expands, and so more sound is created. And in that way, your head voice will gradually become more and more full and strong. This is not the case when the voice is already trained, obviously. I'm talking about when you're first learning how to access your head voice. So I remember when I was studying that because I had this little hole, there was the transition, it was bumpy, it didn't sound very good, and the first few notes were not very strong. So what I would do, because I was writing my own songs at the time, I would write songs that were either super low or super high so that I was avoiding that area. But, sooner or later you have to reckon with it. So then this is how you do it. So just to sum it up real quick, as you approach the transitioning point, relax, open your mouth, open your throat, allow the sound to become a little rounder and more resonant, and stay relaxed. I've said it so many times, but it's never enough. So keep your throat relaxed. And then after the transition point, which, okay, for a tenor, that could be F sharp, G. For a soprano, that could be around B flat, B, or C. So work on holding those notes and gradually allow them to grow in volume. But don't try to make them loud. You have to stay relaxed and allow the sound to improve and increase gradually by virtue of you placing the tone better and better, and not because you're pushing. Okay? So I know it's tempting to push because it's easier and faster, but in the long run, it doesn't pay off because you will always have to push and strain. But what we want is for you to be able to sing in a relaxed way. So when you're up there, hold the notes, relax, allow the sound to grow, and gradually all these notes before the transition itself, and after the transition will equalize themselves in quality, tone quality, volume, everything. So the transition will become absolutely smooth and you won't hear anything. You should be able to go from your low to the high like a siren sliding up without hearing anything. Oh, so you should be able to go from low to high without any break point in the middle that is audible. It happens, but your muscles should learn to be coordinated, and so that the transition becomes smooth. I hope this helps. It's never easy to talk about these things because everything is internal and you can't really show anything, but try it. Try to do these two things that I mentioned and see how it goes, and let me know. You can write your comments below. I would appreciate your feedback on this. So thank you for watching. As always, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.